Okay, so I just filmed a review of this heated eyelash curler, and honestly, I have naturally straight, okay, I was just picking between my eyebrows. I have naturally straight eyelashes, and I think I did a really good job at curling them, and I'm actually going to go back in and try it, like, after they're mascara'd up, you know? So you just wait for this light. Oh, look, it's changing now to change yellow. And that's how you know it's heated. And it's really quick to heat up. And you literally just brush them up. I had a clamp one that used to cut my eyelashes, and I prefer this.